Hello and welcome to the second session of Senior Staying Connected. Today we'll be talking about how to use Instagram. So if you're a senior who would like to learn how to use Instagram on your iPhone, this is a great video for you. To begin, we will talk about what is Instagram. And Instagram is a mobile app and social media network where users engage through pictures and short videos known as posts. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to download Instagram on your iPhone, how to create an Instagram account on your iPhone, how to create a profile, how to post a picture, and how to like and comment on other pictures. So let's begin. To start, you're going to go ahead and unlock your iPhone by either swiping up or pressing the home button, depending on what type of iPhone you have. Once you do this, you're going to go ahead and swipe down so you arrive at the search bar and look up App Store. When you do this, you should see an icon similar to the one circled in red. Go ahead and press on that icon. You are now in the App Store, and in the bottom right corner, you'll see a search button with a little magnifying glass, and go ahead and press on that. When you do that, you're going to go ahead and type up Instagram. Now you're going to download Instagram, and it should take a few seconds. It may ask for your password, but once you type that in and it downloads for a few seconds, you should see the open button. Go ahead and press on that open button. You are now in the Instagram app, and you're going to press the sign up option at the bottom of the screen because right now it's asking for your username and password, but since we don't have accounts, we're going to go ahead and sign up and make one now. It asks if you would like to continue on Facebook or sign up with phone or email. You're going to sign up with phone or email. Now you can either type in your phone number, I chose to type in my phone number, or you can press the email option next to phone and type in your email. It's up to you. Once you do that, go ahead and press the next button in blue. It's now going to bring you to a screen that asks you to type your name. I recommend putting your real first and last name so your friends can find you easily when they're looking you up. But once you do that, go ahead and press next. It's now going to ask you to create a password. I recommend using a password that you don't think other people will know and something that you will remember. Once you do that, go ahead and press next. Here it's asking if you would like to connect with friends on Facebook. For now, you could just press skip. You can come back to this later if you do choose to do so. It's now asking if you would like to find your friends who are already on Instagram through your contacts. I recommend skipping this because, like I said, you can come back to this later as well. Now it's going to ask if you would like to add a photo for your profile photo. Go ahead and press add a photo. This is the photo that'll come up before people follow you, and this is just a way so you can find friends. Once you press add photo, you can either import a picture from Facebook, take a photo, or choose from library. I chose to take a photo, and when I press this, I took my photo, and it's now my profile photo. You can see it here. And once I do this, I'm going to go ahead and press done. It's in the top right corner. Your profile picture should now be changed, and you should now see it when you go to your profile page. Now it's going to ask you if you want to discover people. It recommends some famous people or some news webcasts. If you do see anything that you would like to follow, go ahead and press follow. But for now, you can just press next and come back to this later as well. The last thing it's going to ask you is if you would like to find people to follow. For now, you can just press cancel, and then you can do that a little bit later on as well. So we're going to go over what each button at the bottom of the screen means. Each one is a different screen within Instagram. The first one is the home button, and it'll bring you to your home page where your Instagram feed is displayed. This feed is a place where you can share and connect with people and things that you care about. So you will see your friends post or your family's post, just the people that you follow. Anything that they post, you will see in this home page. The next one is the search page where you can search for new followers, pictures, and videos. It will also display videos and pictures you may be interested in. Here you can see it says videos you might like to watch. It's just things that are recommended for you. So for practice, we're going to go to this top search bar and go ahead and look up my username. It's Juliet_gold. And once you type that in, you should see my profile. So because you do not follow me and I am a private account, you're going to go ahead and press the follow button. Now, once you press that button, you should see that the blue button has now turned to a white button and says request instead of follow. We're going to continue going over what these buttons mean, but the one in the bottom right is a profile icon, and that brings you to your profile page. So now I'm going to teach you how to make a private account. And in order to do this, you're going to go ahead and press on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then once you do that, you should see settings in the bottom. And one of the options here should be account privacy. It's circled in red. When you press that, you're going to swipe to make your account private. This means that you approve the people that follow and can see your posts and videos on Instagram. I recommend having a private account. A lot of celebrities have public accounts, but if you don't want everyone seeing your posts, then I do recommend having a private account. Continuing with what these buttons mean, you're going to go ahead and press the little plus button or the middle button, and this is the add page where you can post new pictures from your camera roll. The next button is the discover page where it recommends people for you to follow. For example, you can follow New York Times, ShopRite, Bill Gates, or anyone famous that you may want. Here you can see it recommends some people like Justin Bieber, Katy Perry, but it's up to you if you want to follow them. If you do, just go ahead and press the follow button next to their name in blue, and if not, then we can come back to that later. The last button we went over a little bit, but it's your profile page where you can look at your posts and check out your profile. Now we're going to do a little bit of practice. So let's go back and to the search page and look up my account again, Juliet_gold. Press on it and it's going to bring you to my page. At this point, I should have accepted your request, so you should be able to see all my pictures and my posts. So in order to view my posts, you're going to go ahead and press this icon in the middle here, and now you're going to be able to see my posts. And in order to like my post, you press this little heart button, and once you like it, you should see that the heart is now red. The next button is the comment option, and if you want to comment, you press on that, and you can now type anything that you want to type, and in order to post that comment, you press post in blue. Now we're going to practice posting photos. So here's the photo that I'm going to post, and in order to post it, we're going to go to the add page, which is the middle page if you do not remember, and I'm going to choose the photo that I want to post. So now I have it chosen, and I'm going to continue by pressing next. So Instagram's now going to offer me some filters, and if I want to filter it, I can choose one of the filters, and if you don't, you can leave it as normal, and once you do that, go ahead and press next. That's also in the top right corner. Now you can add a caption by writing anything in the write a caption option. Once you do that, you can go ahead and press OK. Now I can share the post by just pressing share in the top right corner. And once I do that, I should now see it's been posted. We're going to now return to the home page. Here we will be practicing viewing an Instagram story. So if you see any profiles with a red circle around them, like this one, then we know that someone has posted an Instagram story. So now you can press on that story and you can now see what that person posted. You can do that for practice now if anyone you follow has a story. Once you view that, you should see that the story is now the circle is now gone around the circle or around the profile, that means that you viewed that person's story successfully. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot in this video. Thank you.